How to add Amazon Storefront to TikTok. Let's get started. Integrating your Amazon Storefront with your TikTok profile is an effective way to drive traffic and boost sales. Here's how you can do it. Launch a TikTok. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on the option of profile given at the bottom right corner. Once you're on this page, now click on the option of edit profile. Here you're gonna find different option. Click on the option of website. In the website field, enter the URL of your Amazon storefront. Ensure the link is correct and leads directly to your storefront. After you type in, you can click on Save. The ability to add a clickable link in your TikTok bio is typically available for business accounts. If you don't see the website field, you may need to switch to a business account. Go to your settings and privacy, manage account, switch to business account. By adding your Amazon storefront link to your TikTok bio, you can provide your audience with direct access to your products, enhancing the potential for increased traffic and sales. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.